never used it before. Got my water. My apartment is a mess and we're gonna clean it together. Welcome to my bedroom. We have this like random organizer that fits in this really thin space. When you live in a small apartment, especially when you share a small apartment, you need to find things like this. But there is some random stuff in here. Like guys, I don't know how this got filled with like super random stuff and it's been bothering me for so long. So I'm gonna go through that and take out everything that I just don't need anymore. So random. We're New York Knicks fans and I'm going to a Knicks game tonight. So excited, in Madison Square Garden, me and my boyfriend. And so I have, this is actually his jersey. He's not wearing it, so I'm gonna wear it. Literally so early, you guys. It's 9:40 a.m. so we have a good chunk of time. This whole day is dedicated to cleaning, resetting, like really like cleaning. I feel like if you don't give yourself like dedicated time, and it really does take a lot of time, then you won't get as good of a clean or as good of like a reset done. Also, if you are new here, I share this apartment. Me and my boyfriend live together, and so there's obviously a good chunk of stuff that is his that I am not gonna touch. A lot of sections that we do share, so I'll still go through them, but his stuff is his stuff. I'm grateful, like my boyfriend, he really doesn't have a lot of stuff. It's really me and my business, obviously, but yeah, he doesn't have a ton of stuff. So like this drawer, random, and I hate that. I like for things to have like a space. Oh my god, I feel like I got this because of a trend and I actually like used it once and I don't use this. That also became an area to just stuff things. Like I have this empty pouch, which this one is so random. Like I just have like random bows, accessories, this thing, I don't even know. So I'm gonna go through that as well. I actually, when I was emptying that organizer that I just showed you guys, we ended up clearing out one full drawer. I have one empty drawer, which is so exciting, and I'm gonna strategically use that. So, oh my gosh. I stocked up on these native sugar cookie body washes because this is my favorite body wash I have ever discovered. And so it's limited edition, so I wanted to get a bunch of them before I can't get them anymore. I also have a few books. This book I read on a vacation we went to and I love so much and I want to keep forever because it reminds me of that vacation and it's just so good. This is actually my boyfriend's travel thing, so I'm going to keep that here because that can definitely go here. He likes to... I'm actually currently in the midst of like holiday orders. Things are out. Those will actually stay out since I will be using that like every single day. I'm making planner orders currently. Over yonder, we have a lot going on and it could just definitely be better. This is my clay cart. I'm actually gonna buy another one because I really want to put this one in our closet. I did not realize how good something like this could be for closet organization because you can also just like easily roll it like wherever. Over here, because I want to get a beige one. I want to get something that matches more. When I bought this, actually, I literally was like, oh, I'm stepping outside of my comfort zone. I'm getting something with color. And I don't hate it. I actually think like it's cute. Some of you guys are probably going to be like, oh my god, no, you should keep that one here. Like, I don't hate it. I like it, but I do think the beige would just blend more with like the wood tones I have going on and just my personal preference. So I actually found the exact one I want. This is kind of where I put everything that was on my shelf and now I'm going to kind of go through, figure out what I want to do. I'm going to put my clay keychains for my shop that are ready to be shipped out. I have like just a few mailers left, so I'm also going to put them in here as well because this is right next to my label printer, so it just makes sense. Okay, you might not be able to tell a difference, but I completely reorganized it. Having those bins just overall looks so much better. I'm actually really happy with it. I have these like random dry flowers. I think I got these for product pictures and I actually thought it'd be really cute and it matches with my Matisse wall art thing. My AirPods, my Kindle, my notepad, my switch, and then my planner, pens. We got a cute little setup going on again and I miss that so much because it was really random before. Those chairs are there because I'm actually doing a brand collaboration with this chair company. It's called Transformer Table. They sent me these chairs. So I'm kind of in the process of filming content for them. And we still have one more chair to build. And so that's why these chairs are just there. And then once that last chair is built, which I'm waiting for Josh to do that. He'll do that probably tomorrow because today we have that game. So once that chair is built, I can film the content and then also replace them with these very, very cheap Wayfair chairs that we got, which no hate, I love Wayfair. That looks so janky. We're gonna ignore that, but look how clean the mirror is. So this was originally my boyfriend's apartment. He had this apartment for a year and then we decided to move in together. And it's funny because I helped him move when he originally moved in. And then after a year, we decided to move in together and we love this apartment. Like I loved coming here every single weekend. I would literally be like, I'm coming to you because your apartment is bougie, especially for New York. He had these curtains and he had a lot else. I changed a lot around here, you guys. Everything was like that dark navy blue color. And these curtains, I actually had his sister and her boyfriend helped us move. And I literally, poor man, his sister's boyfriend is like 6 foot something tall, like he's tall. So I asked him to take down these curtains only to realize the curtains I had bought were not like the right size. And so he had to literally take them down and put it back. And I felt so bad because these are very tall windows that we have, you guys. And so we had a ladder on the bed. It was a whole situation. I felt so bad, but you know what? Family. Never used this before, the pink stuff, but I've been seeing it all over everywhere and it looks like it does a really good job. So it's basically like an all-purpose kind of cleaner. I'm gonna give her a try. Ooh. I really understand why people hire a maid. A lot of my friends that live in apartments, they hire a maid that comes in once a month. I think they pay around average 200 or so, around 100. You can even find maids for cheaper on TaskRabbit, and they clean their entire apartment, and I really understand why. I mean, I don't think I would do that because I don't want to spend money on, honestly, but I really understand because it is exhausting, and then you have to dedicate so much time towards it. But anyways, that's not what we're here to do, but I really get it. That was just a random thought. I am looking for a new video to watch. The video I was watching ended. And I'm looking at Steph Broer. A lot of YouTubers started Vlogmas. I love that for me. There's so many videos to watch. Bathroom is done. The very last, couple things that I have to do is the stove. I'm sure there's bigger ones you can get, but I only cleaned the tub and I already used that much for one area, you know? And this was really fun to try and use, and it smells really good. But for some reason, I just don't, I like a spray bottle. I have a bathroom foamer and it's so good by Clorox. But once it's done, I'm gonna stick to my spray bottles.
It dries up and now there's just one road to take. It's cool.
I don't like the pink stuff. I feel really bad because are they a small business? I don't know. I don't think so. They're pretty big. But oh my gosh, like I just like, that's the Lysol spray. Like I'm drying it and it made it so shiny. The other stuff, like I already sprayed it everywhere. I should have showed you guys, but it did not do that. And then also the pastiness of it, of the pink stuff, like it kind of clumped up in some areas, like it wouldn't spread, and then I would just find like little tiny globs of the paste as I'm cleaning. It was just weird. And then it got into like in like small areas, I see like the clumps, and then it just, oh my god, I did not like that. Like it didn't completely become like a smear, if you will, the way it's supposed to when you activate it with water. But that's okay. So I'm actually not going to finish it. I'm just going to return it because I got it on Amazon, so I should be able to return it very easily. Like, I don't know, I like my cleaning products to be very easy to use and not frustrate me, because cleaning is already like a painful task and like time consuming and all that kind of stuff as it is. Not for me, and I would not recommend. I've been in the zone. Literally, I've been killing it. We got so much cleaning done. It smells so good in here. I forgot to burn a candle. I did make a second cup of coffee. We just have a few things left. I actually need to water my plant. We're gonna plan together, and then I also need to, which I'm actually about to do, is wipe down my desk. How are we doing? How is everyone's, let's do a little like small business chat, honestly. Quick update on like what is going on in my business and for work, and quick update and chat with how things are going with my small business. But I'm also very curious, like, how are we as a community? How are you doing? How's your business doing? Are you guys doing any holiday markets? Like, I have been like so obsessed with watching small business owners that sell at in-person markets, craft fairs, street fairs. Like, that is a huge goal of mine. Big goal in 2025 for myself personally is to do in-person markets. So I learned and I'm gonna make separate whole videos on mistakes I made as a small business owner and tips to grow your small business and all those kind of videos that you guys have been begging me to do. I chat about stuff like that throughout my vlogs, but I want to make dedicated videos towards active steps you can take, really helpful videos for people that want to make their small business their full-time job, be a content creator, make that their full-time job, an influencer, whatever you want to call it. All that, basically all the stuff that I do, how I did it, mistakes I made so you don't make those mistakes. I use a separate cleaner for all of my technology and monitors and that good stuff. Realistically, I probably won't sell at my first market until March because I don't even know how to get started. I think one of the biggest reasons why I want to sell at in-person markets is because I just want to meet people. I want to talk to customers. I'm so grateful for my online customers, but I feel like we don't get to in person, face-to-face chat to you guys would be wild. Start that journey next year. That's one of the biggest things I'm excited about. And also start making more products that are sustainable. Welcome to the floor of my apartment. Feels so good. Smells so good. It's lemony down here. We took our shower and stuff because I figured I want to be clean before doing anything else. It is time to plan using my new planner. I'm so excited. So my planner that I designed for my shop, it's actually for 2025. I made a few pages for myself for the rest of 2024 because I want to start using it ASAP. I am queen of planning, if you had ever met one. Got my water. I usually have a coffee, candle burning, and then I dedicate some time every single day because this is literally the only reason why I am able to balance a million things at once. We're gonna plan the whole week ahead, and then each day I'll end up probably adding some stuff. Pretty much have my day dedicated to cleaning. I also need to edit this video that you guys are watching right now, and then I also need to go run an errand really quick. I think of my events first, where do I have to actually go physically? So this week is a fun week because it is my 2-year anniversary with my boyfriend on Saturday. Actually going to a Knicks game today, which it kind of worked out that it's the same week, same time as our anniversary because we're already just on such a high. But yeah, and then for our actual anniversary, we're going out on Friday. He is taking me to a very fancy restaurant, Friday night dinner, and then we actually are hanging out with our friends on Saturday. We're gonna do some Christmas New York City things with them. So I wrote those down. It's like those are the events and the Knicks game today. So that's pretty much all of the outings that I have for this week. That way I know those blocks of time are unavailable for me. And then goes into my shop. Then I start to think about, all right, business, small business things, what do I need to do there? Yeah, so for my small business this week is my planners. Need to make planners. So that's the main priority for my business. Luckily, I already have all the shipping boxes and all that kind of stuff figured out. But yeah, that's gonna be this week, and next week I should be able to finish all of my planner orders. So other big kahuna is content. So because I have a lot of branded partnerships, especially this time of year, I have everything, at least for now, that I need written down. Editing, that's gonna be a big chunk of time for editing YouTube videos. And then I need to plan out my short form content. And then we're good to go after that. Which short form content, typically, I always make sure I post vlogs every single week. So those are like figured out because those are just my daily life. But then I have a whole list on my phone of content ideas that I go through. And then I'll go through that every single week and see what I want to film. I love planning. I always feel so much better and it's like a weight lifted off my shoulder. And sometimes like as I'm writing, I will literally remember like other things that I need to like do or things I need to order. Had to show you guys the outfit. It is so much later, but we got the most productive day with you guys. Like we got so much cleaning done, planning done, and then I had a lot of admin work to do. I had some content brand stuff, so I got that submitted to my agent, which felt really satisfying. I feel like the feeling you get in January, you know, when it's a new year, I'm feeling that now. Everything is clean and ready to go for the holiday orders. I can't wait. I seriously can't wait. The next video will be a vlog of me making orders, packing orders, just a small business vlog. And then also hopefully like I'll start working on future stuff as well, but mainly probably holiday orders. 38 degrees, you guys, in New York, and then we're gonna get out at like, I don't know, 11, where it's like 30 degrees, freezing. So we got hat, we got scarf, and then I'm gonna wear my Uggs. And then I usually bring like a really small bag to these games because they end up checking it. I also like, this is literally all I need. I keep this in every single purse. A hand sanitizer, a lip balm, and then also a cocoa butter because Josh likes to use this. And then of course, my keys with one of my Christmas charms I made for the shop. I look so chonky. I love it though. I'm gonna end the vlog here and I will see you guys in the next one where we'll do a lot of small business things. All right, stay cozy. Bye guys.